Tesla's popular air conditioner is finally broken. There is no cold air when the air conditioner is turned on. These are so good. Brother Long is almost exhausted repairing the Tesla because the Tesla is not broken at all. This time it will be repaired. What's going on? I'm taking out hundreds of speed compressors and dismantling the heat dream. After the heat dream is removed, the air conditioning pipeline must be cleaned carefully because it is very dirty inside. Take apart the compressor and the socket. The socket is broken and needs to be replaced with a new one. Restore compression one end cap to disassemble the heat pump. Use ultrasonic cleaning to clean impurities in heat pump aluminum tubes to restore the heat pump system. Subtitles video. Put the heat dream back and install the compressor. After the heat dream is sold, you need to add 1,050 grams. If you don't add it, the air conditioner will. Remen repaired the car and turned on the air conditioner. The cold air was normal. Features: Remen repaired the car and paid more than $10,000 for the repair shop. You still have to find Brother Long.